Oh, god damn. Oh, what are you?
Hey guys,
Don't
wala
open the
rin yun.
door! Guys,
Nanonood ako
better
sa
get out of
PC ko
here.
na
Are
nag-record
y'all dead?
ako.
I think they're all dead?
Wala lang.
We already know it's not safe
Trip
here.
ko lang.
I can't. No. That's good. It's daytime! I am so yappy! Thanks to the daylight, I got to go out. It's day.
So let's go now. And this is the Minecraft Survival Episode 2. Magpapakita ko na sa mga bago ako magpapakita sa MM2. So, I'm just cool. Damn, they're booming. I'm killing you. I'm killing these guys. Damn, they're getting out of the circle. I did nothing on the ship, okay? I don't like you. You're the liar. Bro. Oh. The 2 seconds. The last day of your life, okay? Kinumbuan ba naman eh. By the way guys, magiging kasama tayo sa susunod. Kasi ayoko na mag-isa lang ako kasi minsan magiging ka. Oh! Oh! Can I make it? That's it. Can I make it there? I think yes. Oh! My god, that got me. Damn. This was... Who the fuck? I got some arrows up here. Oh, look. No, kill me, man. Yes, I got killed by witch. That was loud as fuck. Okay, I will craft iron sword for safety. Ouch! I got a mini one, make it mine, make it mine. Titigan ko, lalapitan ko. Kung dito may wandering trader, susuntukin kita. May wandering trader ba? Pag yan nagtitinda ng pagkain, kuha yan sa akin. Like, yum yum yum. What? Like I'm eating crunch. Let's just borrow this and get some. Ay, kamali. Dito. Sagot sa mga tanong at ang katiyakan hanap mo. Di na maghahanap ng mga sagot sa mga tanong. Hanapin ko. Dish gummy. Sagot sa mga tanong. Sagot sa mga tanong. Di na maghahanap pa ng tanong. Sagot sa mga... Ay, laki! Parang red eye lang ah. Roy, my. I will die here. Because of this, I will die. Damn, we are dying. Oh! Oh my god. Am I gonna survive this time, bro? Like, bro, I'm not going to survive this. Bro, I was so smart. So we got irons. But the revenge is death. Later I'll be dead later. Like, bro. There's so many. Ah, di ba yan na eh. Mayop ka. Thank you. Was that a in a chest already? Bro. Sabi na nila na kita na lang yan na naglalagta. Let's go explore. Let's go explore this. Not big enough mine shaft. Sometimes you have to be a little bit naughty. Like a damn minute. Wait a damn minute. Bro, already died. Ganun. Oh, cheers. Ne. You fucking shut the fuck up. I died 18 times. Bro, you can even see how many death are. So, since we have this, but we don't have a bridge to go there. Uy, issue. Charot lang. So, pag surrounded ko muna itong face ko na maraming sugar cane. Kasi, I'm sorry for your loss. This literally shocked me. Here's why I will kill you. Look at it. I will trade you, man. Don't go. Now get out. Here. Oh. Get lucky. Joke lang. Pinatay mo lang yun eh. Sige. Look at my screen. Time to end